What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below to help support the channel. So today we're going to continue work on the 2013 Mini Countryman. The new bonnet is just turned up, so here it is. So that came, I only ordered it yesterday, so that's really fast. But first of all, we need to change the rear door. We need to swap the glass over because the current door has tinted windows and the new one doesn't. So we're going to switch the glass over so that the new door has the tinted window when it goes in the car. And I don't know, we'll figure it out from there. So let's get started. So there we go, so both the doors are changed now, so we've got them in, we've got the glass switched over. That was really difficult until we've worked out how to do it. Once you know how to do it, it's not too bad, but it's done now, so doors are all in. It has got some little marks in, so you can see it on the camera there. So there is a little mark in there, so we'll have to take care of that, but a little bit of filler, and we'll have to paint over it. But some marks, there's a little mark there, but that'll probably just polish out, but we'll see. We'll have to have a go. But yeah, I mean, that's it. Doors are on. So we've just fitted the new bonnet, so it lines up pretty good. It looks pretty decent quality. So it's not a genuine one; it is aftermarket, but it's really difficult to try and get a hold of the genuine ones. So we've test fitted. We're going to take it back off again because obviously it does need priming and painting and all that. But we just want to make sure that it looks good on the car, and it does. Alright, so that's going to be it for today. So we've put the old bonnet back on for now because we're going to, it's just so I can lock the car and stuff overnight. And the new bonnet now needs to be primed and painted. So yeah, I mean, good progress again. It doesn't look like we've done that much, but I mean, obviously we've got a whole new door on now. We've changed the glass, which took a long time. We've pulled that off just because that needs a new one anyway, which I've got. There's the old one down here. And we have changed the rear light, so it's all starting to come together a bit now. So yeah, I mean, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it's been about a week since I last worked on this car now. So just to catch up where we are. I put the new drive belt on, I've released the tensioner, which was quite a difficult job. It took two of us to do it, especially when you haven't got the correct tools, so we were just using sort of a butt of a hammer and a crowbar to do it. So that tensioner is really difficult, so if you're trying to do it on your own, you need to get the proper tool. Anyhow, but that's all done now. Drive belt's on, the car runs lovely. I'll show you that in a bit. So all the mechanical issues are now fixed, which is fantastic. It's great news. I am going to get to servicing it all and things like that to get it running, nice and fresh and stuff. But for now, I mean, it has actually just started chucking it down with rain. But the plan now is to put a new cabin filter in that I'm holding. So I'm going to put the new cabin filter in, and then I'm going to move on to prepping the bonnet. So I've got the bonnet on the floor here. I'm going to prep the bonnet. There's a couple of little bits where I need to put a little bit of filler in just to make it nice and perfect. It does come primed, so it is in a black primer. I'm going to put a grey sealer down, otherwise I'm going to be on forever trying to spray silver paint over it. So I'm going to put I'm going to put a grey sealer over it, and then get the bonnet and the bumper both prepped so that we can put the silver paint on and hopefully start getting this thing put back together. So yeah, so for now I'm gonna give it 5 minutes for the rain to stop hopefully, and then move on to putting this in and then get onto this bonnet. So let's get to it. Not that bad. It's the old one versus the new one. It's a bit dirty, it's definitely ready for a change at least anyway. New leaves. Sorted. So this is what I'm going to set off. This is these auto eliminators. Really nice. Makes it smell like a nice new car. So you've got to have the engine running and the fans going. Alright, so while I wait for the putty to set on the bonnet, I'm going to make a start at taking this apart. So I need to take the splitter off the bottom of it, and that'll make it a lot better paint job when we come to paint it. There we go, split. Alright, so I've just gone over this with some glazing putty, just in some of the little imperfections, just to try and get this absolutely perfect. So I mean, it's in pretty good condition. There's a couple of little creases and marks and things, but as soon as I've sanded them down, they're pretty much all gone. I will have to give it another sand to get these flattened back again. And there's a couple of little tabs you can just about see there where it's sort of cracked, so I'll have to put some plastic weld on to try and fix those. But other than that, yeah, it's in pretty good nick. So I'm going to leave this to dry for a while and then probably get some lunch and come back to it in a bit. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I did want to get the sealer put on these, the bonnet and bumper, but that just hasn't happened today, I've run out of time. So next video we'll get those primered, get them sanded again, get them ready for the silver to go on, and then get the clear coat on. So definitely hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on anything. You'll be really helping support the channel, and I will catch you on the next one.